Hello everybody, and welcome to another how-to video. In this video we will be addressing the most recent issue with Udio not allowing downloads and how to work around that and easily download your audio from Udio without any difficulties whatsoever. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to download and install OBS. Now this only works on a desktop. I'm so sorry, mobile users. You will have to get a PC, either a laptop or a desktop, to do this. But if you do already have a computer, this is a very excellent workaround. So once you install OBS Studio, you're going to want to enable screen recording by adding your audio output capture from your computer. I wish OBS would show you the correct settings, but for some reason it becomes transparent when I record using it. So I deeply apologize you can't see that from what I'm showing, but you know, if you do have issues with doing screen capture using OBS, and just be very sure you've added your audio output and your desktop audio to be recorded when you press the record button. Okay, so now that OBS is set up for full recording, what you're going to want to do is go to the Udio website. Now I just generated these today after the fact that they no longer allow download. Right. Okay, so these are just fresh generations. You can click here, try to download it, and it's going to tell you no. You can't do that. Right. I mean, I've tried normal clicking, I've tried right clicking, all the methods. It's all blocked. I cannot get my audio. Please help me. It's probably what you're saying. I really want to get audio off of Udio. No problem. So here's the workaround. In OBS, just start recording your screen. Kind of like what I'm doing right now. Click your audio, click play. Once you have played your audio, hit stop, and you will now have a recording of your audio in a video format somewhere on your computer. Usually it ends up in your videos folder unless you change it, but by default it goes there. And then you'll have that recording, which I've already done to save time and energy and such. So that's step one. You've recorded it, but now it's in MP4 format, it's in a video format. Not very easy to input into your DAW. Your DAW doesn't like it. You can't play around with it. You can't do things with your music. Right. Problem solved. Now I use CapCut, but I know there's more than one way to do this, but this is how I do it, is with CapCut. So you would start using CapCut. Right. Give it a second here to load up. Create a new project. Now we're going to just pull that video into CapCut. So there it is. Right. So there's that recording. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to strip it down to just the audio only. So we'll just drop that into CapCut like we want to edit the video. Zoom in. Oh, we don't really need to zoom in. We can actually just extract the audio right now, and then we can cut it and trim it and play with it later in our DAW or digital audio workstation. So basically, you pull your video into CapCut, great. Nothing fancy. Just go ahead and hit export right away. Now, instead of exporting a video, export audio. Okay, that's all you need. MP3 is perfect. I mean, you could do WAV, but whatever. You can get your audio file, and just make sure you know where it's going, as far as your download folders and stuff like that. I'm just gonna name this one test. Whatever you want to call it. And then just wait a couple seconds, and bam, there's your audio. And now you can open up your DAW. I'm using Audacity, but you can, any DAW you want. And pull that file. there it is, test, right? And you can easily pull that file into your DAW. And mess around with it. You know, you can. Yeah, there you go. There's your music right there. It is a bit of a workaround. It's very, very clunky, but at the end of the day, you get your music. You can get it in your DAW, and yeah, you can use it from there. If you have any questions about this, reach out to me in the comments, on social media, Discord, very open to that, Facebook, whatever you want, okay? And if this has helped you in any way, get your audio from Udio and continuing to use Udio moving forward, in ways the record Universal won't like. But guess what? They can't do anything about it because OBS is not under Universal's control, and you are free to record your own screen, and your own audio from the computer. So yeah, you can do that, absolutely. And this is my big F you to the man for doing what they did to Udio. So yeah, no, we're not paying for your crap. We're just going to download it for free by recording our screens. Thank you, Mr. or Mrs. Universal. You think you're going to make money off this? No, I just exposed your secret. I made it super easy for everybody to get their audio for free off of Udio. Thank you. Come again. Have a good day.